Hey crew, today's video will be sausage and gravy with biscuits. And here are the ingredients we'll be using. We have butter, salt, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, mild Italian sausage, heavy whipping cream, whole milk, and flour. If you'd like to see this full video, please stay tuned. Please don't forget to like and comment on the video. Let's get into our sausage and gravy with biscuits. Alright crew, so we're gonna get into our video, our sausage and gravy with biscuits. Alright crew, we're simply gonna brown our Italian sausage. And you want to brown this until there's no pink. Okay crew, I'm halfway through the process of browning our Italian sausage. I just wanted y'all to see what it looked like. Alright crew, so we got our Italian sausage brown. We're gonna go in with 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. And we're just gonna stir this in. And you'll see that the fat from the Italian sausage that rendered down when you put the flour in there, it soaked it all up. So that's what you want it to do. You don't want to see no flour in your mixture, so therefore this right here is good. We're gonna go in with 1 cup of whole milk. And you want to make sure that you stir this in good. We're gonna go in with 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. Okay, so we got that mixed in. We're gonna bring it to a boil, then we're gonna reduce the heat. Alright crew, so I got it to a boil, and you see that it's starting to thicken up. I'm just gonna turn it down, then we're gonna put in our seasonings for our sausage and gravy. So I just put it on low. We're about to go in with our seasonings. We're gonna go in with 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper.
I'm not sure I understand it, but everything seems brighter now than before.
So I tasted, and we're gonna go in with a little bit more salt. So we're gonna go in with another 1/2 teaspoon of salt.
All my worries disappear, yeah. It's all because of you. I feel the way I do. You make
Yes indeed. Okay family, so y'all do know that butter makes everything better. So we're gonna go in with 2 tablespoons of butter. Ooh, that butter. Unsalted butter. Yes, that butter. We about to go in with that butter. Butter. If they tell you butter don't make everything better, they lying to you. We just gonna bloop drop it right off up in there. Yep. Ooh, look how thick that is. Yeah, buddy. That's some good sausage and gravy right there. Ooh. Buddy, good. But if y'all try this recipe, please let me know. And it's easy, you know, it don't take a lot of time. It smells so good. Okay, so the majority of our butter has melted, and I didn't make no homemade biscuits. I took the quick way out. I did frozen biscuits, and I will show y'all the biscuits right here. And I will do a homemade biscuit recipe for y'all, but this video was about the sausage and gravy. So I'm gonna make a plate, and I'm gonna let Queen try it, and she's gonna give y'all her honest opinion like always. Alright crew, so our sausage and gravy with biscuits is done, and I also added a sunny side up egg. So I'm about to give y'all that famous close-up, and after that, Queen gonna try it and give her y'all honest opinion. Okay, crew, Queen about to give it a try and give y'all her honest opinion. Go ahead, baby.
Tell them I don't eat.
Yeah, she don't eat sunny side up eggs.
Okay. It's good. Good.
You speak to
It just reminds you of like old school. Cause you know how they got the ones in the pack that you can make?
Right.
But this like that old school mom and pop restaurant, your grandma house type of. It's good.
Sausage and gravy?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And you know these my favorite biscuits, so it's good.
Ooh, that egg.
That egg.
Yeah, that egg.
Yeah, that egg.
Oh my God. It's so good, y'all.
He going there for seconds. It is good. I didn't tell y'all about the egg, but that's good. Sausage and the creaminess of the gravy.
Close out video, I'm sure.
Well, thank y'all for watching. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure y'all try this recipe. It's going to take y'all back to y'all grandma days. And I can tell y'all that because if I didn't like it, I'd tell y'all I ain't like it, okay? But try it, you guys. And when y'all try it, let Jordan know in the comment section that y'all did and how y'all liked it. Please make sure y'all give his video a thumbs up. Share it if you care. And we will see you guys in the next video. We love you guys. We're praying for you guys. And we out.
Peace.